Okay, it's time. This is the best pasta or mac and cheese, whatever you call it, I had in my life. I'd rate this a 101 out of 100. Absolutely delicious. Hello guys, today we are going to make macaroni and cheese. It's just me and my mom right now. So my mom put some water on the stove and okay, so here's the almost boiling water. I'm gonna put the whole entire pack of mac and cheese in here. Okay, I need to get a big spoon. Okay, so I got my big spoon and I'm going to mix the macaroni. Yeah, so 8 minutes has passed and the macaroni is done boiling. So we're gonna take this to the sink and we're gonna strain all the water out.
Okay.
Okay, now my mom's straining all the water out. Now we have done straining the glorious mac and cheese. Watch in full glory. Okay, so we have our 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna put in the bowl-looking thing. Yeah, the pot. I forgot my vocabulary. Okay, so I think all of it's in there. I'm pretty sure. Or do my eyes deceive me?
On milk.
Be careful.
Okay. Okay, do it. Yes.
I did it.
Yeah, you did it. Great job. Okay.
Okay, so I have my macaroni powder packet, and I'm gonna dump it in. Okay, it's all in there. I'll just mix it up a little bit.
Yeah, mix it well. So far, macaroni cheese mixing almost done. Now we are going to add macaroni.
Okay, now we're gonna mix them. The glorious mac and cheese. Oh god, there's still some mac and cheese in the pan. Okay, it's okay. Mix it very well.
So guys, we are not using burner. I turn off the burner.
Yeah, and I'm just concentrated on the mac and cheese right now. It's not looking like it's supposed to. Like, look at the huge difference. It's okay though, it might taste the same.
Yeah.
Okay, we are done our glorious mac and cheese, and I'm gonna taste mac and cheese for the first time in my life, guys. It's gonna be so exciting, I can't wait. This is the final product, and it looks so good and so creamy. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, so this is the macaroni and cheese I've been waiting for all my life, and it smells delicious. I can't wait to get to eating this because it's my dinner right here, and I'm like really hungry because just by smelling this, oh my god. Okay, it's time, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. I am going to taste the mac and cheese. Okay, it's time. This is the best pasta or mac and cheese, whatever you call it, I had in my life. I'd rate this a 101 out of 100. Absolutely delicious.